which is IC engine. Okay, so let's start. The first question is that what is the IC engine? Can you define what is the IC engine?
IC engine is an internal combustion engine. Since the combustion is taking inside the cylinder, it is called IC engine.
Okay. Any other? Right. This is the IC engine, which is also called as internal combustion engine, where combustion takes place inside the cylinder. So that is called as the IC engine. Okay. So next question is that the parts of the four-stroke diesel engine. What is the parts of the four-stroke diesel engine? Side. Rakshit. Am I audible?
Yes, brother, you are audible.
Okay, no problem, Pradhan bro. Whatever you know, you can just talk. Okay, so question is that the parts of the four-stroke diesel engine. Vishwa brother.
Yeah, bro. Cylinder, connecting rod, piston, piston ring,
Okay.
camshaft.
Okay.
That's my thing. I'm also not done this topic. Now only I started.
Yes, it's no problem. Yes, Pradhan bro.
Yeah, bro. Uh, piston, piston
Yes.
connecting rod,
Yes.
uh, camshaft,
Yes.
piston connecting ring.
Okay.
I think carburetor maybe.
Carburetor we use in petrol engine.
Oh, okay. You're
Fuel,
talking about diesel. Okay.
Okay, yes, Rakshit
Yeah.
brother.
fuel injector is one which is running from diesel. Then A-frame if you want to tell.
Okay.
Tappet, push rod,
Okay.
rocker arm. Yeah, that's all.
Okay. Okay. Sahil brother.
piston, piston ring, crankshaft, crankcase, push rod.
Okay.
That's all.
Sanket.
Yes, bro. I must say that bed plate, A-frame, entablature, tie rods, piston ring, gudgeon pin, again that cylinder liner, stuffing box, connecting rod,
Okay.
again cylinder
I think
head,
stepping box didn't come in four-stroke engine.
No, four-stroke engine, no, stuffing box is used in
crosshead,
two-stroke
crosshead,
diesel engine.
two-stroke crosshead,
Crosshead
inlet
bearing
crosshead
also we
type.
use in two-stroke diesel engine.
Yes, yes, yes. There.
Okay, I'm asking about the parts of four-stroke diesel engine. Okay,
Fuel
no problem.
injector, fuel injector also.
Okay.
Inlet valve, exhaust valve.
Okay. So anyone? Uh, okay. So can I?
Yeah, bro.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So basically, four-stroke diesel engine parts are crankshaft. Okay. You remember five C components, main five C components, which are start from the C. Okay, which is crankshaft, camshaft, connecting rod, cylinder head, and cylinder block. These are the five C main components. Okay. After that, the piston ring, then connecting rod, also camshaft and crankshaft. So these are the main components of four-stroke diesel engine. And remaining components are rocker arm, valves, flywheel, oil sump, gudgeon pin, and rocker cover. Okay, these are the all components of the four-stroke diesel engine. Just wait, I share my screen. Just a minute. Is it visible?
Yes, yes, visible.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yes.
Yes, yes.
This is a piston, okay. After that, you can see this is a piston, the gudgeon pin, and the connecting rod. Is it visible?
Yes, it's visible, bro.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, it is visible, bro.
Okay.
Yes, it is visible.
Then you can see this is a gudgeon pin, okay. And this is the fitment of the piston and connecting rod in four-stroke diesel engine. How it's fitted with the help of the gudgeon pin, okay. Then this is the ring we use in the four-stroke diesel engine. This is a compression ring. First one is a compression ring. Second one is also compression ring, and third one is the oil scraper ring. Is it visible?
Yes, it's visible.
Okay. Okay. So these are the parts of the four-stroke diesel engine. Anyone having doubt about this?
No.
Okay. So next question is that what are the parts of the two-stroke diesel engine or two-stroke marine engine? Anyone can no problem. Whatever you know, you can just Sahil. Sahil brother. Yes.
Hello.
Yes. Yes. What are the parts of the two-stroke marine engine?
Okay, we'll start from the top, the exhaust valve. After that,
Okay.
the cylinder heads,
Okay.
piston, piston
Okay.
rod, crosshead bearing with crosshead pin. After that,
Okay.
connecting rod with connecting bearing, and crank pin, crank webs, bearing, and crankshaft. After that, flywheel, sump, and entablature, A-frame. We can say a turbocharger, exhaust manifolds, and several other components like fuel pumps or exhaust valve actuators and auxiliary blowers. That's it.
Okay. You're right. Anyone can in different way. Vishwa brother.
No, bro, no, bro, I don't have any.
Okay. No problem. Harish.
Mm, yes.
Hello, bro.
Yes.
Hello.
The parts of the two-stroke marine engine or two-stroke diesel engine.
Mm, First, crankshaft, then connecting rod, crosshead, piston, cylinder liner, cylinder head,
Okay.
camshaft, turbocharger, then exhaust valve,
Exhaust valve, right?
uh, and cylinder block.
Right.
That's all.
Okay. No problem. So as Sahil say, these are the all parts. Yes. There is a port. This is a which is a scavenge port. Okay. So
Scavenge foot scav.
yes. So the parts of the two-stroke diesel engine, which is cylinder head, piston, piston rod, connect crosshead, then connecting rod, then crankshaft, then camshaft, cylinder box, cylinder block, then stuffing box, then exhaust valve, and inlet ports or scavenge ports. We can say scavenge ports, then A-frame and bed plate. Okay, these are the parts of the two-stroke diesel engine. Is it clear? Or anyone having doubt about this?
Yes.
Okay. So, what are the four-stroke in diesel engine? The name of the four strokes.
Suction, compression, power, exhaust.
It's right. Pradyuman bro?
Same bro. Suction, compression, power, and exhaust.
Right. So these are the main basic questions. So after that, next question is that what is the difference between the two-stroke engine and four-stroke diesel engine? Two-stroke and four-stroke diesel engine. Can anyone tell that what is the difference between the? Just try, no problem. Whatever you say, okay. Just try. Sujit, what is the difference between two-stroke and four-stroke?
Uh, in two-stroke engine, every two revolution, one power stroke is generated, and
Okay,
in four-stroke, every two revolution, one power stroke is generated,
right.
and the whole cycle includes suction, compression, expansion, and exhaust in two-stroke. And in four-stroke, compression, expansion, and exhaust is included.
Okay.
Pressure and temperature is higher in the two-stroke engine, and in four-stroke engine there is lower pressure and temperature included as compared to two-stroke engine. More fuel consumption is there in two-stroke engine, and less fuel consumption is included in the four-stroke engine. And camshaft to crankshaft ratio, I think it is 1:1 in two-stroke, and in four-stroke it is 1:2.
2:1. Right.
Yes, to 2:1.
Any other? Gautami, what is the difference between two-stroke and four-stroke?
Same thing I know.
Additionally, want to tell, I would say higher power is produced in two-stroke, less power in four-stroke. In two-stroke, you will get low speed, high torque. In four-stroke, you will get high speed, low torque. Then higher power to weight ratio in two-stroke, lower power to weight ratio in four-stroke.
Four-stroke. Right.
Then
That's it. No problem. Any other? Pradyuman, you can say just
sorry,
one difference between.
lower volumetric efficiency in two-stroke, higher volumetric efficiency in four-stroke.
Uh, can you tell me again? Last point.
Lower volumetric efficiency in two-stroke, higher
Okay.
volumetric efficiency in, sorry, lower volumetric efficiency in two-stroke, higher volumetric efficiency in four-stroke.
Okay. Okay. Pradyuman? Okay, no problem. Vishwa? Okay, yes. Harish?
Okay. In two-stroke, the cycle operation is completed in uh, two-stroke. On other hand, the cycle operation is completed in four strokes. In
Uh,
two-stroke,
in two-stroke, the cycle completed in one revolution of the crankshaft, na?
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, okay. And engine is engines are lighter in two-stroke, and other hand, engine is heavier. Then four-stroke is design is construction is such complicated, and two strokes much and in two-stroke higher mechanical efficiency. Other in four-stroke it produces low mechanical efficiency. and the moving parts in four stroke are less, and moving parts in are more in two stroke.
Think okay. Anyone can
Oh,
clear this concept? The moving parts in four-stroke engine are more or in two-stroke engine? Sahil?
In today's world, I think the two-stroke engine has lesser parts because of the automation. And in four-stroke engine, I think the moving parts are more, and there are complicated engines required. A complicated engine has more parts rather than in two-stroke engine.
Yes, I think also. Anyone?
There also we talked about the weight of the two-stroke engine is lesser than the weight of the four-stroke engine. I want to correct that the weight of the two-stroke engine is more than the weight of four-stroke engine.
Yes, the weight of the two-stroke engine is also more na, because its stroke size is also uh, large than the four-stroke.
It acquire more floor area. That's the concept.
Yes.
And four-stroke engine acquires a lesser area.
Okay. Okay. So the
okay.
difference between okay, yes. So difference between the two-stroke and four-stroke engine, which is in two-stroke engine, the working cycle is completed after the one revolution of the crankshaft. Okay, and in four-stroke engine, the working cycle is completed after the two revolution of the crankshaft. In two-stroke engine, we get one power stroke after the one revolution of the crankshaft, and in four-stroke engine, we get one power stroke after the two revolution of the crankshaft. Okay. The third difference is that in two-stroke engine, crankshaft and camshaft rotates at the same speed. In four-stroke engine, crankshaft and camshaft rotates at different speed. Okay. And fourth one difference is that the crankshaft and camshaft connected with the help of the chain drive in two-stroke engine. And in four-stroke engine, the crankshaft and camshaft connected with the help of gear train or gear drive. Okay. After that, you can say that the power to weight ratio of the two-stroke engine is more as compared to four-stroke engine. Okay. So these are the difference of the two-stroke and four-stroke engine. Anyone doubt? Anyone having a doubt about this?
The thing about crankshaft and camshaft connection, is it like universal that it should be connected by gear and chain, right?
In four-stroke engine, basically they connected with the help of the gear drive, crankshaft and camshaft.
Okay, okay.
And two-stroke engine, basically, mostly they connected with the help of the chain drive, I think.
Yes, with the chain drive, that later engine. But in newer engines, all crankshaft operations are connected to, sorry, are operated by all these automations. That thing. No need of camshaft.
Okay, thank you. So after that, the next question is that what is a bore? What is a cylinder bore?
It is an inner diameter of the cylinder.
Okay. Any other? What is the cylinder bore?
Yeah, bro, the inner size or the diameter of the cylinder.
Yes, that is a cylinder bore. It is a cylinder bore diameter, internal diameter of the cylinder. That's called as bore. Okay. So what is a stroke?
The distance traveled from BDC to TDC by the piston is called as stroke.
Okay. Any other? Ravi Kiran? What is the stroke?
Actually, I'm a first day student, so I'm just listening what's going on.
Okay, okay, no problem. Akash?
Yes. Yes.
The distance traveled by the piston from BDC to TDC is called stroke.
TDC to BDC, top dead center to bottom dead center.
Okay, bro.
Okay. So next question is that what is the I.H.P? Means integrated horsepower. What is the I.H.P? Indicated horsepower. You know na about IHP and BHP, indicated horsepower and brake horsepower. So anyone can tell that about? Uh,
Power that is produced at the cylinder, like the power produced inside the engine.
okay, Manish. Sorry, Sujit.
No, bro, I don't know about this.
Okay, no problem. Harish.
No, bro, I don't know.
Okay, no problem. So indicated horsepower means that which power produced inside the cylinder, which is called as indicated horsepower. What is the BHP, brake horsepower?
The power which is available at the shaft, like output shaft, that will be called as B.H.P. Or wheel horsepower also, like the power available at wheel.
Okay, Pradyuman, what is the BHP?
Bro, I know that horsepower is the power produced by the engine, but the specific full form of BHP, I don't know.
Okay, no problem. Anyone, Gautami, what is the BHP?
Um,
Okay, Vishwa. Okay, no problem. As Rakshit said, the BHP is the brake horsepower, the power we get at the crankshaft or output shaft at the output shaft. Okay, so that's the brake horsepower. Okay, so brake horsepower, the power we get at the crankshaft, which is called as the BHP.
Bro, can you once repeat so I can note this?
Okay, so brake horsepower,
Yep,
the
both
power,
one.
okay, so I repeat again. IHP means indicated horsepower. Okay, so indicated horsepower, which we get inside the cylinder, which is called as the indicated horsepower,
Okay,
and the BHP is brake horsepower, the power we get at the crankshaft or at the flywheel. Okay,
okay.
so that is the
Crankshaft.
okay. So the next question is that what is the scavenging?
Scavenging is the process of removing exhaust gas from the cylinder and filling it with a fresh air.
Rakshit, what is the scavenging?
Scavenging is a process in which the intake fuel or air or whatever intake fluid, it will push the exhaust, it will try to push the exhaust gas, whatever is there for combustion products, it will try to push it outside the exhaust valves.
Okay. Anyone?
It is basically a process of removing the burned gases from the combustion chamber and cooling it. It is known as scavenging.
Okay, all are right. Yes, M.
Okay. Scavenging is a process of remove the exhaust gas in cylinder of an IC engine. Uh, then and for new stroke.
Okay, for
Okay.
next cycle.
Yes, next cycle.
That's right. No. Akash, you tell, no? You told, no problem. Anyone?
Scavenging is a blowout of waste of. Shall I continue?
Yes, yes. Sahil, continue.
Scavenging is a blowout waste gas of combustion and refilling the cylinder with fresh pressurized air for the next compression stroke.
Okay. Anyone?
Scavenging is the process of removing the exhaust gas and bringing fresh charge inside the engine cylinder.
Yes, yes, right. As Sahil and Harish say, the scavenging is the process of removing exhaust gases from the inside the cylinder by adding fresh charges of air and fuel for the next cycle. That is called as the scavenging process. Okay. What are the three types of the scavenging?
Uniflow scavenging, loop scavenging, and cross scavenging.
Okay, right. Any other?
Cross flow, back flow or loop flow, and third is the uniflow.
This is M. Yes, M. Your name is not showing here.
My name is Haris.
Okay, okay, Harish.
Uh,
Yes,
yes,
uh,
mm,
yes, yes,
to,
continue.
mm,
Okay, so the three types of the scavenging, which is uniflow scavenging, loop scavenging, and cross flow scavenging. These are the main three types of the scavenging. Okay. So the last question is that what is the compression ratio? Can you define in simple word what is the compression ratio?
Ratio of cylinder when the piston is at PDC to the ratio of cylinder when the piston is at TDC. Volume of cylinder when the piston is at TDC.
Okay, Pradyuman bro.
Bro, I only know the formula of
Okay, yes, you can say.
yeah, the compression ratio is V max upon V minimum. That is the maximum value when a stroke happen to the minimum value.
Okay, no problem. Any other? What is the compression ratio?
Yeah, bro, it is the ratio between the volume of the cylinder in the piston with bottom head and top position.
Okay, okay. Yes, Harish. Yes, Harish.
It is a ratio of uh, it is a ratio of piston when ratio occupied by the piston when the piston is at BDC to the ratio occupied by the piston when the piston is at TDC.
Okay, no problem. So, the compression ratio is that the compression ratio when the compressing the maximum cylinder volume into the minimum cylinder volume. Okay, the compression ratio is that the compressing maximum cylinder volume into the minimum cylinder volume. Just a minute.
Compression ratio is basically volume at ratio of volume at BDC, that is bottom dead center, to volume of
Okay.
air at TDC.
Okay.
That's it.
Is it visible?
Yeah,
Yeah,
bro.
yes,
bro.
visible. Yeah, bro.
Okay.
Yes, it is.
So that is the compression ratio. It is the 10, then it converted into the 1%. So that is the compression ratio. Okay. Okay. So last question is that what is the compression ratio of petrol engine and what is the compression ratio of diesel engine? Hello.
For petrol engine, it's 12 is to 1, and for diesel engine, it's 18 is to 1.
For petrol engine,
12 to 14 is to 1,
12 to
and
14.
for is to 1, and for diesel engine, from 18 is to 1 to 22 or 24 is to 1.
Any other?
In petrol engine, it's like 6 to 10, the compression ratio. So in diesel engine, it's like 16 to 20.
Okay. Anyone can tell correct values of the compression ratio for petrol engine and diesel engine?
In petrol engine, The 6 is to 1 or to 10 is to 1. In diesel engine, 14 is to 1 to 22 is to 1.
Okay. Pradyuman?
No, bro, no idea.
No problem. Jack? Who is Jack? Okay, no problem. So the compression ratio for the petrol engine, which is 8 to 10 as to 1, and the compression ratio for the diesel engine is vary between the 18 to 20 as to 1. Okay, so these are the compression ratio for the petrol engine and diesel engine. Got it? Or
Yes,
anyone
bro. Yes.
doubt?
Now, bro.
Okay, no problem. So in today's session, we covered some basic questions on the IC engine, and the remaining questions on the IC engine we discuss on the next session. Okay.
Yes, bro. Yes.
Okay, bro.
If anyone having doubt
Yes,
about
bro.
this session, then you can send your questions on our group. Okay, in Let's Learn. Okay, thanks. Thank you for coming.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you, bro.